funny, and guess what day it is? Actually, what day is it? Is it Thursday?
It's Thursday.
It's brother-sister garbage can duo. I actually don't know what day this video is gonna be going up, but right now it's Thursday. Is the door shutting? The other day I did that. I walked away, it didn't shut entirely. I came back and guess what was in my car? Guess.
What? What is it?
You didn't guess. You had to guess.
Was it teas? Like two teas just like, just fading into nothing?
That would be spooky. No, it was leaves. I was just like, how are these leaves in my car?
Not pollen? Not pollen? All the pollen.
They probably had pollen. Okay, first of all, look at this classy maneuver that I did. Did I say it's Crystal Ball Frappuccino testing day? Because that's what we're here to do. Okay, and the baristas get to decide your fate. That's the cool thing about this one is there's 3 different versions. Yes, you did not know.
I didn't know.
So there's 3 different versions of the Crystal Ball Frappuccino. Green, I don't know what any of these mean. Green, blue, and pink. And they choose your life.
I think I'll do blue, hopefully.
No.
That's my favorite color.
They choose your life. You don't get to pick. But to take an awesome Instagram picture of this drink, I put 1 fingernail on.
That's not fair.
So
yeah. Oh, I should have one. Then we can match.
God, and then you could hold it too.
Oh, I don't know.
We'll
I
put
have
one
to do like my pinky. Your fingers are smaller than mine.
Can you? I can't open it.
Okay, ready?
I can't open it. Oh, it's dark in here, or it's my sunglasses. 50-50. Everyone's here. Hi. How are you? Hi. I'm here for the crystal balls. Look, and Caitlin's here, and she did this gorgeous board. Look at the board. Look at it. Well, you could look at it better if the zoom was working.
So that's the Frappuccino.
Look at it. It's so, what do the mystical sparkles mean? Spooky.
Zoom out. Zoom out. Too many flaws.
I want to be a barista for a day.
That'd be kind of cool.
I would live for that experience.
That would be
Yes. Wait, do you want to say hey?
Hi.
She has a snake, and it's the most awesome snake in the world. Are you going to decide our fate?
Yes. You get all the fates, I don't know.
I want all, except for the one about the umbrella, because I read that online, and they're like, bring an umbrella. Challenges a face, and I was like, I don't need any challenges. Why do I like this one? This is my aesthetic. The most basic green.
Well, I mean, swamp thing.
Yes,
Green.
yes.
It's
Wait, look at this. Is this rabbits hugging? The Houston card. HM.
It's rabbits.
Rabbits. Cuddling. What is that? Oh, you're up the Doge. It's Emil. Hey.
Here, magically appear. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, it looks like we got pink and blue. Bunny's doing her thing.
I'm gonna give you blue because I know that you like it.
Oh, that's fine. I like blue.
What does pink mean? Magic? I will take a heaping spoonful of it.
I'll take.
Wait, what is blue? Did you get the umbrella?
The umbrella?
You did get the umbrella one.
Oh, that's the umbrella?
Umbrella.
Oh, okay, that's cool. I can do that. I can do that. Here we go.
I feel like we should just get another one to have the green sprinkles.
What? Well, I don't know if Dogman will drink it. No. No. Okay. No. He's like no. If he was here, he'd be standing there and be like, no, shaking his head.
I feel like I'm always asking myself, why am I this way? Y'all are so nice to me. See, this is why I'm here 12 times a day. Bye, you guys. We'll be back.
Let me get the door.
Oh yes, the door. So that I don't have to be like, did I catch a disease? For like the next 6 hours. Whoa, it's blue. Look at that. Ah! It matches your drink.
I know.
Okay, we gotta take a picture with my one thumbnail. Why is it so dark? The sun is dying. But this is what we have. Wait, can I turn on lights? Is there a light? Does that do anything?
That's one light.
That did nothing.
Maybe another tap.
No, that's it. Dome. On.
Ah,
That did nothing.
That didn't.
Dude, it's just like distracting heaven light back here. I feel like I'd have to hold my hand like this. Okay, let's excuse me for being the worst YouTuber in the world who can never do anything during the day. I'm a vampire, what can I say? Okay, we are gonna look this up because they all told us it tastes like peach. Ooh, look at the glow from my phone. Look at this. Is this, oh, it's glowing. Wait, what is this magic? Is this really capturing it like that?
It is.
It looks
cool.
like it's good.
It looks cool.
I bet you didn't think you were gonna get special effects today. I'm trying to show you. Okay, that. Oh, look.
there we go.
There we go. Okay, can you guys see? Ours is not so much marbled as it is just blue at the bottom. Oh my gosh, yeah, we are so sitting outside. I'm gonna freeze to death and die. It might be like 60 degrees. It's very cold to me. Oh my gosh, we're crashing the party. Where can we hide? They're like talking peacefully over there, like civilized human beings.
Like,
and then I'm gonna be like, let's taste this drink. You know, do you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm too much for being in public. Okay, look, maybe we can open the back and then crouch so that we're outside but the camera's in. Does this work? No, this is still bad. Hey, you're balanced on a door right now. Woo! You're doing good. Round of applause. Round of applause. Okay, let's get through this drink really quick. Mine has melted now.
Yeah, I think mine is.
It's not gonna taste 10 out of 10 anymore. Wedgie. All right. Okay. According to today, this is what this drink is. More magical than a unicorn, Starbucks Crystal Ball Frappuccino has a surprising twist. I don't 100% know what that means. This is what it is, according to a Starbucks rep. It starts with a cream-based Frappuccino. No coffee inside of this drink. It's infused with peach flavor and turquoise sparkles, which I don't 100% see sparkles. I just see juice in the bottom of the cup, just juice. Okay, each drink will be topped with one of 3 different candy gems that will represent a wild prediction about the drinker's future. And they say, in case you're like a paranoid person like me, don't take it too serious. Perfect. Blue candy gems, that's what you got. It means you're destined for adventure. Green, which we did not get. Okay, yours is covered with, I don't know what this word is. Spirulina. S-P-I-R-U-L-I-N-A. What is that flavor? You're about to find out. And then green gems, which we didn't get, are apple, pumpkin, and spirula. Again, I guess there's a little bit of spirula sprinkled in everything today. So the green is for good luck, and purple gems, I guess that's what I got. I thought they were pink, but I guess they're purple. Ooh, mine's made with algae. That sounds delicious. Algae, cherry, purple, sweet potato juices.
Wow.
And more.
That sounds
I don't know what the and more ingredients are.
That sounds like a balance.
Wait, but how is mine the only one with the ingredient and more? That literally means you just
like,
don't know what you're drinking.
Like a wink.
So mine means magic, wonder, and enchantment. I will take it. Oh my gosh, okay, that's crazy. In a truly unusual, not unnatural, supposedly the customer and the barista don't know what color the drink gems will be on top, whether you're gonna get blue, pink, or purple, or green, until they sprinkle it. It's on like opaque shakers, so they don't even know what color the toppings are. Crazy! Dude, I feel like I'm doing like some kind of like me exercise.
Is that a commercial?
It's a video. I do YouTube.
Barry, you do YouTube?
Yes.
Well, I tell you what. I thought you were doing a commercial because it sounded so realistic.
Oh! Thank you.
Because it was really done professionally.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, that's the highest compliment. Because I feel like I have 0 professional. Okay, cheers. In the last...
You were able to do that in one take?
Yeah.
Without any shock?
No.
Oh no.
Just this attached to the door.
You're like David Coverdale.
Thank you. Okay, superpowers. Cheers. Yes. Okay, are we gonna like it?
It does have that peach flavor.
That's really delicious. Ooh, I got sand on my tongue.
It does have that peach flavor.
Whoa, the crystals are so flavored. I feel like more flavored than any other special drink topping before.
It tastes pretty good. It tastes like a cream peach.
I love
like
it.
a peachy cream soda almost. Like I know I've had a soda that's tastes like this before. I just don't know which one it is.
No, I know what you're talking about. Is that like, is it like the Mr. Frosty one or the Dr.
Yeah.
The one with the beard?
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, I've had that.
I say it's a wrap.
Oh yeah. I love the topping flavor. I feel like these are the most flavored little crystal toppings that I have ever had.
It's got a kick. I like it.
What does your topping taste like?
I don't know. It's almost like a Pop Rock.
Oh yeah.
Pop Rock.
Okay. Oh yeah, I can see. It's
tastes like
kind of.
Pop
It's very
Rock.
similar texture.
Yeah.
To the Pop Rock.
Yeah, it tastes like Pop Rocks, really. It's got that kind of like sugary flavor, or that sweet flavor to it, but it's like a kick when you drink it.
This is incredibly
I like
delicious.
it.
Do you like this one better than the? Because you tried the chocolate covered cherry one. Do you like this one better?
I like this one better. Well, I mean, I might have liked it more with the chocolate covered cherry because I think they just put too much cherry for me and it was just overpowering.
Yeah.
Yeah, with this one, it's a perfect balance between like the cream and the peach and then that little sprinkles. Really
Yeah.
good.
And once again, I feel like this one tastes so much better than the unicorn frappuccino. I feel like every time now they keep trying to make these like buzzworthy drinks that everybody's gonna want to try, take a picture of on Instagram. I feel like the unicorn one was like although I will say I feel like that's their best selling one ever, because that one we couldn't even get it. We had to go to the Barnes and Noble Starbucks just to get it. Like every other one was completely sold out.
Yeah, I got mine in Galveston.
Oh my gosh. See, that's crazy.
Yeah, I got mine in this little bit small Starbucks in Galveston. They actually had it.
Yeah, I know which one you're talking about. But this is incredibly delicious. I think, oh, now I'm scared to say this one I might like this one even better than the chocolate covered cherry one, actually.
Well, I have to say, I like it better than
You like it better than the chocolate covered cherry?
I like it better than the chocolate.
So now I wonder, okay, now I'm gonna try and rate them again because it might be this one, then the chocolate covered cherry, then the zombie one. You didn't like that one at all. Then the, what did I say next? The Christmas tree one I think would come next. And then the unicorn one would be last.
What about the
unicorn
gingerbread?
one tasted so bad.
Do you like the
Oh,
gingerbread?
no. Okay, they really did me wrong with that because
Too much ginger?
no, I used to love the gingerbread spice. I would get not the Frappuccino, but just the iced coffee, gingerbread iced coffee, but they switched the freaking syrup. I don't care what anybody says, they said it's the same, but like it literally tasted like so bad this past year. They had it in like 2015, then they didn't have it for 2016, then they brought it back in 2017, but it tasted so bad. Like I used to buy bottles of the gingerbread syrup.
Every time we went.
Yeah.
But I was never really a big fan. But
Didn't like it at all. No. But okay, you guys, I'm gonna try and find a little bit more information, which hopefully I will remember to type in the box down below, because I don't know if this one was just like a one-day only thing. You know what, I'll ask them inside, they'll know. But a lot of times it's just based on Starbucks to Starbucks anyway, because if they still have the supplies to make it, they will still make it even if like the campaign is quote-unquote over. They just didn't do it for the unicorn one because there was nothing left. But I did just find out they still can make the chocolate covered cherry one now, even from Valentine's Day, because they still have the stuff.
well, maybe I can get light on the cherry.
Yeah. No, you need to wait when Helen's here. You gotta come here when Helen's here.
Okay.
She
Yeah,
make-
I'll just
she's like
get
the
light on
best
the cherry.
Frappalulu. But
Yeah.
thank you guys for watching and for hanging out today. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this on Friday or not. It's almost like a first impression Friday. We had a first impression of this drink, which we are now gonna continue drinking.
It's pretty late too. You can kind of push it over a little bit.
Yeah, it's Friday, surprise. But thank you guys so much for hanging out. Everybody say thank you to the co-host. Yes, I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Peace.
Bye. Now we can get in the dark cavernous car, and we can go through the drive-thru again to get the tea. I feel like I could commit to drinking this entire drink, but also I feel like I probably shouldn't consume that much sugar because you guys, sugar makes me not feel good. I have not yet consulted with you guys about my future dietary plans. I haven't even told you yet,
She hasn't.
but I am thinking about consuming less sugar because I feel like sugar makes me feel bad.
I am going 3 months, oh no, almost 4 months strong, no sweets.
Dude.
No sweets.
This is why I always say you should start like a fitnessy, diety kind of channel because, dude, this is like the Iron Man with iron will of like just being like, I'm not gonna eat any, like, and there will be a delicious cake, and it'll just be like, no, I'm not eating any of the delicious cake. And I don't understand that. Because like, even if I was like, oh, I'm not eating any sugar, if there was delicious cake in front of me, I would still have like a slice, like a bite.
There's too much temptation everywhere. I love Sour Patch Kids. That's one of my big, huge candies.
Yeah, I still can't find the shoes.
Man.
I'm looking everywhere for the sour shoes. I gotta
the
find
trolley ones.
them. Yeah.
Yeah, because
but we went to Walmart, Target, And I thought somewhere else, and no shoes anywhere.
That's like my second favorite. Strawley candies, like the worms and
they're
stuff.
so good.
Those are good. And they even have James Harden ones.
I think that those are his shoes too. They have the beards, and
Yeah,
then
they
I think
have the
that this is like his second collab.
Oh really? Oh,
yeah,
that's cool. Because his came out last year.
Yes,
His beard one.
I think it did so well. They did another one.
They have sloths too.
Oh, I saw those, and octopi.
Octopuses.
Octopi. But okay, well that was like a fake outro. So I love you guys. Bye.
Bye.